Oh, this time I have to drive. Okay. Now, girls, get in the seat. And you two, you get in the other place. Well, I have to be in the back. I'm afraid so. Why? Because we have to, that's the rules. Sometimes we switch you guys, and sometimes we don't. But I gotta fix this. Okay. Come on. Okay. And there. Fix my car seat. It's on like a train. Yeah, it is. Like, is a train. Goodbye.